Hi dear friends, welcome to the ninth part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, income from house property situated abroad is taxable to A. Ordinary residents, B. Not ordinary residents, C. Non-residents, and D. All of these. Option A, ordinarily residents. Second one, if MRV, FRV and SRV of a self-occupied house are rupees 1,50,000, rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,80,000 respectively, what will be the gross annual value? A rupees 1,80,000, B rupees 2 lakh, C rupees 1,50,000 and D nil. Option D nil. Third one, income from a farmhouse is A. Income from house property, B. Income from other sources, C. Fully exempted, and D. None of this. Option C. Fully exempted. Fourth one, MRV, FRV and ARV of a let out house are rupees 50,000, rupees 45,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Determine the gross annual value. A rupees 60,000, B rupees 45,000, C rupees 50,000 and D none of these. Option A rupees 60,000. Fifth one, if the total interest paid on loan up to 31st March 2018 for a let out house construction completed on 1st June 2018 was rupees 50,000. The interest deductible for the previous year 2019-20 under section 24 shall be A rupees 50,000, B rupees 10,000, C rupees 30,000 and D rupees 33,333. Option B rupees 10,000. Sixth one, if annual value of a let out house is rupees 30,000, the standard deduction shall be A rupees 10,000, B rupees 3,000, C rupees 9,000 and D not deductible. Option C rupees 9,000. Seventh one, a let out house was vacant for 3 months. Its FRV, MRV and actual rent were rupees 80,000, rupees 70,000 and rupees 63,000 respectively. What will be the gross annual value? Option A rupees 80,000, option B rupees 70,000, C rupees 63,000 and D rupees 72,000. Option C rupees 63,000. Eighth one, which of the following is true for a self-occupied house? A. Gross annual value nil, B. Annual value nil, C. Standard deductions nil and D. All of these. Option D. All of these. Ninth one, interest on loan deductible for deemed let out house is A. Maximum rupees 30,000, maximum rupees 1,50,000, C. No limit applies, D. Not deductible. Option C. No limit applies. 10th one, unrealized rent is deductible from gross annual value if conditions under dash is satisfied. Option A. Section 24, B. Section 16, C. Rule 4 and D. Rule 24. Option C. Rule 4. Thank you for watching this video.